Hi, my name is Mariah. Thank you for clicking on this video. I'm going to be showing you an introduction to everything featherized fans. So what are featherized lashes? Our feather lashes are essentially what the industry calls volume. So we use a hand technique making our own fans, and we use anywhere between 3 to 5 of them onto one natural lash fanning out to give the look of more lashes. So how do you pull lashes from a lash strip? What I like to do, I like to go up a little higher on the lash and pull directly towards me. So how many lashes do I pull when I do pull lashes? So it really all depends on the natural lash. And I usually grab anywhere, definitely no more than 8, because we're not making mega, we are making feather. And if I grab a little bit too much, I can always edit it like so. Take a couple out, and then form my fan. So what is the best way to dip our feather fans into adhesive? Well, I'm just going to form our fan here, like so. We got our perfect little fan here. And then I'm just going to lightly just kind of dip towards the center. And then place our fan. So what are some examples of a good fan? Well, here is an example of a good fan here. The base is nice and slim, and that's exactly what we want to hug the natural lash. And you could see that there's not much of a sharp edge there, like on the side profile, so it doesn't stab the client either. Now here are some examples of some poorly done fans. So here you can see that the fan is closed due to the fact that too much adhesive was used. So we want to avoid that adhesive buildup there. So that is why we dip the adhesive very lightly when we dip the fan, or else this is what will happen. Here's another example of a poorly done fan. Here you could see that it is very jagged on the edge there. That could cause irritation on the lash line. So we want to avoid doing that by not over pinching the lash when we pinch to make our fans. And another example, again, pretty big base and too many lashes. Now with our 0.5 diameter lashes, we don't want to exceed more than 7 of them. So this is what creates a bulky heavy lash, which again can cause irritation and natural lash damage. So here in my hands, I have our Cherry Lash Primer, and this is a really cool tip I want to give you guys. So I like to use a little bit on my fingertips like so. So I would go like that and just massage the product into my fingertips, absorbing the oil. So that way I'm not applying oil as I'm applying my lash fans as I pinch them. Because the purpose of the primer is to remove as much oil from the natural lash as possible. So I like to remove the oil on my fingertips as much as possible. So when you're done making your fan, here's another really cool tip. So if you feel like you've dunked your fan a little too much in the adhesive or it creates too much of a ball there, you could just swipe it very lightly and we can have the perfect amount of adhesive on our lash. Thank you so much for allowing the opportunity for me to teach you how to do this featherized technique today. I hope you enjoyed this content today, and you can go ahead and like, comment, or subscribe, or even share it to your friends who are interested in learning how to do lashes.